Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Mechanics by Yanni. I do apologize if there's any background noise today. I am outside. If you're new here, I do make weekly videos on Mechanics Explained and how to do mechanics. So if you're interested, stick around. Today's video is going to be on how to do an oil change on a 1998 Ford Ranger. This is a 6-cylinder, a 3.0. Let's get started. All right, so first things first, you do want to jack up your car, either using jack stands or you could just drive it up a ramp. You do want to chock your two back wheels for safety and put your e-brake. Next, you do want to gather up some tools. Very minimum list. You need an oil filter remover. Here are 3 examples. I prefer using this one, or you can use your hand strength, whatever works for you. Number 16 wrench or socket, whatever you prefer. And then somewhere to put your oil. Okay, step 1. Go under your hood, locate your engine cap. Should be located on the passenger side right here. Just loosen it up a bit. This creates a suction that doesn't allow the oil to fully drain, so just loosen it up a bit. Step 2, you're going to go underneath your car. I'm using a creeper over here. Should be right in the center. And the oil drain plug, it's right here. Like that, you can see it better. I already loosened it up beforehand. You're gonna loosen it up completely now. There you go. Okay, so here's another look at where the oil drainage plug is. We're gonna go right through the center. Here's the oil pan. And right there would be where the oil drain plug is. After you remove the oil drain plug, you want to go ahead and go to the driver's side wheel well. And that's where you'll locate the oil filter. Then I did loosen it up right beforehand. As you can see right there, it's collecting. So you want to grab your new oil filter, dab a little new oil, and just put it around the ring. And you're going to go ahead and insert the new filter. Go ahead and place my phone right here. After tightening the oil filter, you're going to come right back to the oil drainage plug and just plug it back in. You want to tighten it back with the number 16 wrench. Okay, so the final step, I did forget to include this in the tool list, is a little oil funnel. I mean, you don't have to use it, but it is better to put the oil in there. Okay, go ahead and remove the cap. Insert the funnel. After you finish putting oil, make sure that cap is locked in place. And then you're gonna go ahead and run the car for a few minutes and then check the oil dipstick and make sure that the oil level is appropriate. car run for a few minutes, you want to go ahead and check the oil dipstick. Should be located on the driver's side. That seems about right. Well, that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned something from it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.